Welcome back on the record. We're here at the Rackspace Leadership Summit with Josh McDonald, who is a technical services IT manager for HCSS, which is a vertical manufacturer of software. Tell me a little bit about what HCSS does.
Well, we're a software provider for the construction industry. We specialize in software applications for heavy highway infrastructure, and we have multiple lines of products from estimating to job tracking, resource management, GPS application. So try to be a one-stop shop for the construction industry.
And you're moving a lot of your stuff now over onto, well, I guess you're working with Rackspace and you're moving it onto the cloud.
Right.
Why?
Yeah. Well, what we're finding is that our customers, they have a lot of needs as far as mobility is concerned with their applications. They need stability. And so what we found is that providing a managed hosting scenario for them is a great way to help our customers. We're a very service-oriented company. And so what we're really trying to do with the cloud service is provide a one-stop shop, if you will, for our customers to have their applications hosted in a cloud environment, provide automated backups, and then the IT management and administration that maybe they can't provide in-house, or maybe they want to give to somebody else to do for them. And so we're looking to provide that for them using the Rackspace cloud service.
So why Rackspace?
Well, we looked at several different options, and what we found, really to be quite honest, is that Rackspace just provides a great suite of products in a very easy to manage environment, and scalable, and the pricing's right too. So.
Well, that's always nice. Our audience consists of about 160,000 resellers, and for most of them, one of the big questions that they're having with going this whole transition to selling, well, I'll call them apps, so selling apps and stuff like that through the cloud, is they're worried about things like security, about storage, about just loss of control. Now you're doing this with your whole company, you're moving it that way, or starting to.
Mm-hmm.
Aren't those? How have you gotten over those concerns?
Yeah, so there's some concern there. We do have kind of a hybrid model with Rackspace, if you will. We have some servers that we use in their dedicated hosting environment, but the majority of our servers are in the cloud server environment. And so what we found is that most of those security concerns can be managed with tools that Rackspace provides, as well as the operating system level. So we've implemented different environments for different applications, and to date we haven't had any issues with security. Out
of curiosity, and I'm not sure if you'll even know the answer to this,
okay,
but right now you're selling mostly to large companies, correct?
We're realizing that large companies are the ones that are really wanting to utilize our product, yes.
Now through the cloud though, are you going to be able to have a less expensive type of system where you'll be able to get smaller companies and be more attractive to them? Yeah,
one of the really big things that we're trying to push toward is trying to get the small guy, the mom and pop construction firms that really need something in their IT infrastructure that can be stable and solid. We're trying to give them that through this product, and instead of investing in a server or an IT person to manage that, we feel that we can provide that for them.
Sure. All of a sudden, something that you had no way of making reachable to that audience, unless you wanted to really overcharge them, I guess.
Right. Yeah.
I hate to put it that way.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden it's going to become affordable.
Yeah, that's actually kind of how we're marketing. We're saying enterprise class hardware for a fraction of the cost. That's one of our taglines. So,
which makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
So now, if you're going to go out there and you're going to try to sell to all those construction people, so now all of a sudden your audience goes from being, let's say, 200 or 300 customers that was pretty much the whole range of it, and I'm not saying that that's the right number, but probably somewhere in there, to probably a couple of million.
Sure. Yeah.
So all of a sudden now you have a couple of million. So are you going to go out there and hire, 1,000 salespeople or 2,000 salespeople, or how are you going to do that? How are you going to go to market?
Well, our plan right now is we've been doing beta testing with the cloud for basically the whole year, and we've rolled out a product now that we're selling actively. And our plan is to start out managing it internally, with our customer base. Our customer base currently doesn't reach the millions yet. We hope that it will one day, right? But internally, we want to start out managing that and then grow our business based around that. So much like Rackspace has a managed hosting service, our plan had been to kind of do that ourselves within our organization. But actually just found out today that Rackspace is looking to do managed hosting with a cloud server environment. So we'll probably partner with them in that venture as well.
So they go to market more and more through the channel. Are you going to be doing that too? Like using VARs and resellers, or?
Well, yeah, we're looking at some of those options. So right now, the way our model is we've partnered with Rackspace, and we work with our customers and tell them Rackspace is doing our hosting for us. But we're working directly with our customers at this point to work out whatever that pricing model may be, and then move forward with Rackspace from there.
Terrific. All right. On that note, I want to thank you, Josh. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much, Robert.
And good luck with it.
Yeah, thank you.